I have an interesting fact. Black Friday sale in Amazon was about $9.8 billion. That's a record number. I just think in a single day, if Amazon is doing about billions of dollars of sale, what is making that sale? People, when they start business, they keep selling their products. They don't come up with innovative ideas. But one invention in the e-commerce businesses, they come up with festive sales. They talk about Black Friday, they talk about Cyber Monday, Christmas sale, Deepavali sale, and different sales. Every single time, some or the other sale is keep on going. And the same exact strategy we used in our own e-commerce strategy, our own business, and it worked for us. So I'll be today showing you that exact strategy that we can use. But more than that, what if we get into a business also of festive products? Because if you're in India, you see Deepavali, Holi, New Year, all these things are there. But in the whole world, one big celebration is Christmas. Another celebration is Ramadan, that is Ramzan. And then there are so many big fests which keep going. If we can have supplies of product that can be used for festive product supply, then your e-commerce store will continuously get sales because these are big events and a lot of people just hop into a store where they can find these things. I know Amazon is a one big marketplace, but I think there's a need of having your own e-commerce store where you are having exclusive products which are specifically for one particular type of festive. For example, if we have decorative products and gift items of Christmas, then I think it can be a great business opportunity because we can just have all these products listed into an e-commerce portal. Because we are into export business, we can expect a great amount of sale from Middle East. So since we're talking about Christmas products, Europe can be a big market. America, whether it is South America or North America, can be a good market. Even Southeast Asian countries, China, everything can be a great market. India can be a great market. The whole world can be a market for this. Even for just fun, people celebrate Christmas because Christmas is a festival. Not just Christmas, I'm talking about you can have many festival related items which we can list into an e-commerce store. And you can have a great amount of profits coming in from this e-commerce business that I'm giving you. So what I'm teaching you basically e-commerce sales. I'm teaching you exports. I'm teaching you how to sell anything on Amazon. I'm teaching you digital marketing strategies. I'm teaching you about any product that you have or you want to sell without buying that product, how you can list those products in e-commerce store and start selling them. I'm also giving you certifications, not just one, but 17 certification. I'll be teaching you practically on how to build and grow this e-commerce business. Even if you have your own idea, you can get started with this e-commerce business. I'll teach you and I will make sure that you are successful, you're getting sales. And I'll be teaching you with video-based lectures, practical training, instructor-led training, and my experts and mentors at IIC will be there to guide you regularly. So even if you're a student, working professional, business owner, you can join my program and get complete end-to-end learning in this all-in-one e-commerce business program, which comes with the business opportunity. So I'll be giving you the e-commerce store builder. This is my store where I'm making sales. Let me show you my analytics of last 30 days and my lifetime of analytics. So everything that you're seeing is basically in a live e-commerce store. These are the list of products that I am selling. So same way you can actually list your own list of products, customize the e-commerce store, install all these different softwares and tools for doing search engine optimization, social media marketing, running paid advertisement, chatting with customers directly with the AI chatbot, and you can have your own domain name, you can add your own staff members, you can directly collect payment from your customers to your bank account, you can directly do shipping to your customers from your e-commerce store. So all these things as an all-in-one program I'm giving you so that you can get started with the program. So the lectures as well as the ebooks, white papers, many different contents I'll be giving you. Institute is fully accredited, affiliated. I have been working tirelessly for the last 10 years working with e-commerce entrepreneurs across India so that they can export these products. I previously worked with Alibaba Group, China and Amazon so that the same exact learning that I have, I can teach you and you can also become successful along with me. So this institute is fully approved and affiliated and my students are successful. We are also having good number of students to get placed in top companies. And these are some of the positive reviews from my students, which is giving me a sense of satisfaction about the quality of content and the training that I'm giving you. So coming back to this business opportunity, for example, if I simply search about Christmas tree, you can see people are charging some amount of money and there are regular sales about 3,600 reviews are there, 4,000 reviews are there, 800 reviews are there, 3,800, 1,000 reviews. That means these many sales are happening. So you can easily make a few lakh rupees by selling these products, and from where we can source directly from manufacturers in India. And not just these are like Christmas ornaments, they can be used for many different type of festivals, and we can list these products which are decorative items into e-commerce store builders like this, and we can start making sales. If it is Singapore also, you can start making sales there. If it is Rakuten, that is Japan's website, here also we can do sales. My whole point is festival items, not just about Christmas, but different festivals. You can have the list of festivals. You know that after a month, another festival is coming. Start listing those products, highlight them into your homepage and the website, start marketing them. So your e-commerce store will be festive oriented e-commerce store. And you can keep doing the sales regularly because you know that, for example, Deepavali is coming. For example, so you know that people are going to come and buy products which are crackers and Deepavali items, gift items, and items for doing prayers. All those things we can list into the e-commerce store, start marketing to the database, and start making sales. Same way for New Year, people want New Year related things. People want to go out, and people want to do party. People want things that they can celebrate for the New Year. So you can just have theme which is so unique, and you can start selling them. How do we get those suppliers who are having such kind of products? I'll help you to find those products which can be festival supply items, which are so nice that you even have some 1 lakh database of customers who can keep buying from you. They'll keep buying from you regularly because your products are unique, which they cannot find anywhere, and your items are such that can actually give that 5-star quality in their festive. That means the festive season of their family or their company, that will have a lot of impact with your product. So we will find out those products and start doing bulk sales with corporates, with bigger companies, and also we'll do retail sales using social media, using your own e-commerce store. So how is this business idea where you can get started with a business which is never ending, which has season 24 hours, 365 days year round. So I want you to get started with this ready-made plug and play store where you name your store with your own brand, your website name.com, add the product, start selling. You can sell almost every single thing because this is a time when people want to give gifts, they want decorative items, and not just Christmas. This is an example. There can be many more festivals, as I told you, we can list. And this way, this whole business can operate in automation because your customers who are once your customers, they'll keep buying from you regularly. So with the right digital marketing approach, you can make a successful business. Now, how much do you think such a plug and play business opportunity will cost? If you set up your own business offline, you have to buy the inventory. You have to always find that the product are safe and it should not decay. But in this e-commerce export business, I'll be teaching you how to have that supplier's product into your website, number one. Second, how do we make sales in automation? Third is, how do we get that bulk deal so that you do not have to worry about having any product with you. Directly the supplier will ship the product to the customer. So this is wholesale drop shipping. B2B business with the minimum MOQ of like 1,000, 2,000 numbers. So those suppliers are going to continuously buy. I'll give the database of buyers in the foreign countries. I will also teach you how to find these buyers, suppliers data, e-commerce store builder, and ongoing mentorship. This is the exact thing that is the solution needed for building a successful business. Now, what I'm giving you is the complete solution. And I don't think so that anyone today is going to offer such a business opportunity being an institute, because I myself have been running the business. So it's easy for me to give you the copy of what I'm doing and just you can start with this. So now let's explore this mentorship program for the e-commerce business is priced very less because I know that for the next entire 1 year lifetime, all the access of the content support that you need will make a lot of impact in your life, so that if I charge less, it will be easy for you to take decision and join this. You can go for EMI for this also, because if you have a credit card, it is easy for you to enroll and get access of the content. But if you want something like plug and play, as I told you, you can go for this e-commerce store builder, which is a ready-made export business opportunity. So this e-commerce store builder with the your own domain, with the list of softwares included in this, you can immediately get started with the business immediate. Like even if you're working professional, you can do it because I'm giving you complimentary data of suppliers, buyers with the mentorship. So this entire thing is an investment opportunity rather thinking that it is a expenditure. And the best part is you can click on this payment and you can see this is showing 1 lakh rupee, but it is having one more opportunity. You can convert this into an EMI option using your own credit card. So click on credit card, select the card, and then you can go up to 24 months EMI. So it is coming lower than the 5,000 rupees mark, 4,800 only. So if you are paying such amount, you are not having that heavy pocket going on where it is like, oh my God, I have to pay such amount of money. It's very low cost business opportunity. Get started with this, make sales through e-commerce, through marketplaces like Amazon, through your own e-commerce store. I'll be teaching you digital marketing. Somebody in your family can also learn along with you. So this is skill of having your own e-commerce store and selling products will completely revolutionize the way you think about your finances. And this opportunity will give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. You can make crores of rupees in selling such things because the market is in front of you. So why wait? Get started with this e-commerce business today.